Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in vote to list projects on Binance. As you know, Binance introduced new features which is vote to list. Community will be able to vote for their projects and the projects will get list on Binance. So yeah, you can open your Binance app and you can scroll down and there is discover and there is Binance Square official post. You can click it and there is some description. So if you want to vote, you can vote up to 5 projects and then you must at least hold a minimum of 1.01 BNB to vote, to eligible to vote. And there is vote period also, and you can scroll down. As you can see, I already vote, but if you didn't vote, you can just choose the projects and you can click vote here in the bottom and there is confirmation. But if you not eligible, there is notification that you don't have 1.10 0.01 BNB, so you have to buy it first and you can vote it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.